everyone, this is Ray with Hair Holds Hub. This is the video on our DIY snowman, our foam snowman, and for some reason the audio decided it didn't want to work properly, so I'm doing a quick little voiceover. So right now what you're viewing is Biggie foaming using spray can foam and foaming the snowman, putting the snowman body on the little frame we made out of the baskets. And he's just foaming away. And that's what is going on in this video because the audio is horrendous. No, there's no audio. And then the final build too, we just lost our audio. We're not sure if what we did to it. But here he's building the snowman, and he's taking the foam. You go all the way around, and then as you go, it'll up and up and up. It'll foam, and the foam will expand, and it looks really cool when you're doing that. And again, I apologize for the audio, but what are you gonna do? Not every day is perfect, and you can't redo this one because the foam is on the snowman. So, but yes, we got the can foam. I think they're $6 and change a can. And this snowman took 2 cans of foam, and it was a lot of fun to do and watch, and it was just a lot of fun, and it was really cool. I can't wait to show you what the finished outline of him looks like. It is really neat. We had a lot of fun making it, but you know, again, the audio, and you can't hear the excitement in the video because of there's no audio. Well, okay, so we think the audio was hijacked by our new microphones that we just got. We're gifted for Christmas, and I don't think we turned them all the way off, so they were probably still Bluetoothed to our Osmo or gimbal, the Osmo gimbal. So I think that's what happened, and because I don't know, it's really weird. So, and as you see, he's foaming away, foam, 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 foaming, foaming. It was a lot of fun, actually. The boys were napping. They napped through this, and so they couldn't be out there to watch. It was neat. I love their reactions to stuff, well, especially cold. Cam, he's like, yeah, okay, I'm going to go play. But yes, and the foam. And it's been really nice here lately. That's why, yeah. So, again, the video's been sped up to shorten it up, and the time too. And I cut out a whole bunch of stuff just to shorten it up a wee bit. That way it will be easier to watch and listen to. And then if you make it this far, say, Ray, I made it this far. And the comments would be fantastic, just to give me a heads up that you watch most of this little snippet, because it's hard to tell sometimes, and it helps our channel grow and the algorithm recognize our channel. I hope you guys have enjoyed our Vlogmas videos. We kind of just dived in. We've never done it before. I didn't put any effort out in it last year either. But I hope you guys enjoy this. We like doing arts and crafts. So, especially for the holidays, So I hope you enjoy the build and watching the video and listening to me ramble. Because he was a lot of fun. And as you can tell, the hubby absolutely enjoyed it. He really did. I wish you could hear him. He was just oogling all about it and while we were doing this in the audio. So it was a lot of fun. Will we build another one? You bet. So we will start collecting the parts and pieces that we'll need earlier in the year versus waiting till like November. So that way we can get what we need, all of it, from the Dollar Tree, because as you see, the little foam spear for the head, I had to buy him at Hobby Lobby, and that was the most expensive thing of the whole entire thing, because the Dollar Tree was totally out of them. So, but that was the most expensive piece, and when you see the full completed build, it was about $18 total for the whole build. It would have been less. It'd have been $10 less if I didn't have to go buy the sphere at Hobby Lobby. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. We had a blast. Enjoy.